Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to see how you can add money to your TikTok Ads Manager account and increase your account balance. So what you'll need to do is if you want to add balance into your TikTok Ads Manager account, you'll go to TikTok Ads Manager. From there, in the left-hand menu on your TikTok Ads Manager, you'll click on Payment. From there, you'll see a drop-down list. From here, you'll select Summary option, and from there, you'll click on Add Balance. There you will enter the total amount you want to add. It can give you a list and it can give you the option to choose a custom balance as well. And you select a current payment method, or if you've not added one yet, or if you want to add a one-time payment method, it'll give you an option to add a new payment method, which could be your Visa, MasterCard, etc. And from there, you will click on make payment and you will follow the prompts to complete the transaction. And the prompts in a new card's case could be that you need to add your card details. It could also ask for verification, which a message you'll receive on your phone, and after that, the payment will be successful. Now, there's another way as well. Now on the dashboard, if you don't find it on your left-hand side, if you don't find the payment option, so simply you will go over here, you'll see your profile page, you'll basically press on this. You will either get the payment option right away or you'll get the settings option. If you get the payment option right away, you'll just click on payment and you'll follow the same steps. You'll see over there the option of adding to your balance and you'll add to your balance and follow the steps I told before in the same way. Or if you get the settings option and not the payment option, you'll just press on settings, you'll go on the drop down and you'll select payment. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.